we were discussing reproduction in animals. May we had discussed the life cycle of a frog also, है ना? We were discussing reproduction. खत्म हो गया ना? Reproduction in animals that we had already discussed. Metamorphosis we already had discussed. That topic is complete. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the asexual reproduction. Okay. Next हमारा topic है that is the asexual reproduction. In that case, I told you कि all of you have to do it yourself. A life cycle of silkworm and a butterfly. Sorry, that you have to do it yourself. Already we had discussed. But in your NCERT, they use the term, so you should know the stages or the what is the life cycle. Ki after the eggs, which stage comes, that you will do. ठीक है जी, ठीक है. What is the meaning of the asexual reproduction? With the one, ठीक है. Reproduction that is taking place in the process in which one parent is needed. That is called the asexual reproduction. अब लोग एक सिंपल सा लॉजिक देखो, if the one parent is needed, that is called asexual. तो क्या वहाँ पे वेरिएशन होगी? What is the meaning? Like मैं वेरिएशन टर्म किस चीज में यूज कर रहा है? चलो और सिंपल बता दो. As the sexual reproduction we had discussed, जिसमें से half of the father and half of the mother's characters transfer होते हैं. That means हर बार एक न्यू वेराइटी होती है, वेरिएशन अक्कर है, ठीक है. बट इन केस ऑफ द asexual, when the parent is single, so is there any variation? No. That means the problem, the features, the characteristic of that the same parent is transferred to the individual, नहीं other transfer to the daughters, to their, ठीक है, offspring, ठीक है. यानी कि asexual reproduction के comparative that the sexual reproduction is the beneficial and more advanced. ठीक है. Now asexual reproduction as definition we already discussed. Now in your book there are the two ways. I am just telling you कि number of the ways होते हैं. Like asexual reproduction can be done by the binary fission. Fission का meaning होता है break. ठीक है. Binary means two parts. Then it is done by the budding. In our book, these two topics are given. I am just telling it to you the different ways. That is the fragmentation. देखो fragmentation. Bud का meaning क्या था? Bud develop होना, fragments, parts में divide होना, fragments में. And the other one is called regeneration. Regeneration means regenerate होना. If any part is by any chance or by any speed, the part is demolished or finished, then the regenerate, it produces new part. Okay? But in this 8th class, we will discuss about these two topics, that is the binary fission and the budding. Okay? So let's discuss the binary fission first. Okay? Number of the ways are there that we will discuss in the later higher class. In this class, we will discuss only these two. Binary fission and budding. May I erase this one? Now write down binary fission. मैंने अभी वर्ड बोला binary two parts में divide. ठीक है? What is binary fission? This is the simplest method. Simplest method. ये बहुत simplest method है. It is the simplest method. It occurs in the unicellular organism. Occurs in unicellular means single cell. कौन से single cell? Amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena. These are the single cell. ठीक है? In unicellular. Okay. Occurs in the unicellular organism. ठीक है. कौन से? Like amoeba, Paramecium, राइट बेटे, समझ आया? ठीक है. तो बाइनरी फिजन, व्हाट डज इट मीन? कि single parent is there, it occurs in the unicellular organism in which a single cell is made up of, ठीक है, made up of with a single cell, that is amoeba, paramecium and euglena. अब इसमें क्या है, दोनों में आता है. The parent organism splits, मतलब breaks. क्या होगा इसमें, अमीबा की केस में होता क्या है, the parent organism splits into two daughter nuclei, splits to form two new organism, splits to form two new organism called daughter cells. इनको हम daughter cell कहते हैं, या you can say of organism of the same kind. मैं भी वो daughter cells बात करते हैं, organisms of the same kind. अपने जैसे आगे reproduce करना, that is called the asexual reproduction in which the same single parent is required, that is called asexual reproduction. ठीक है जी. Diagram I am making here. Amoeba is not having any particular shape. Amoeba की कोई shape नहीं है, तो you can draw like any like this. ठीक है. Right, bete? Amoeba is not having any particular shape. Okay. In case of the amoeba, paramecium, euglena, it splits up. Splits means divide into two organisms of the same kind. Clear है? अब when it reproduce, अब जो इनमें reproduce यानी कि reproduction है ना, it is of like two types, two ways में होते हैं, types नहीं कहेंगे, we will say two ways. Like कैसे क्या क्या होता है, जो इसके अंदर न्यूक्लियस है ना, सबसे पहले न्यूक्लियस will divide, ठीक है, and then cytoplasm divide. When the nucleus division occur, उस word को बोलते हैं, जो nucleus है, that is the karyo. Not given in your book, I am just telling it to you. क्योंकि sometime in Olympiad तो these questions come तो आपको पता हो. Karyo word जो है that describe the या that symbolize the meaning of the nucleus. Karyo is for nucleus, kinesis for the division. Karyokinesis, ठीक है. And after that cytoplasm divide, that means cytokinesis. Getting my point? Karyo जो है new word है, karyo ही आपके पास आया. Karyo is for the nucleus, kinesis means division. Karyokinesis and when the cytoplasm divides, cytokinesis. यानी कि सबसे पहले हमारे पास इसमें क्या हुआ, न्यूक्लियस विल डिवाइड, न्यूक्लियस इलोंगेट हो जाता है. ठीक है बेटे, न्यूक्लियस क्या हो गया, इलोंगेट. ये बीच में देखो, यू कैन सी यहाँ कंस्ट्रिक्शन आ गई. कंस्ट्रिक्शन मींस बीच में से टाइट होना शुरू हो गया, क्योंकि अब इसमें डिवाइड होना है, क्योंकि अब इसमें डिवीजन होनी है. so that's why you can write here elongated nucleus, or here we can write the word constriction. ठीक है जी. अब जब कैरियोकाइनेसिस हो गई, कैरियोकाइनेसिस में डिवीजन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, ठीक है जी. अब जब इसके बाद न्यूक्लियस जो है दैट इज डिवाइडेड, यानी कि ये कंस्ट्रिक्शन जो है ये और प्रोमिनेंट हो जाएगी. ठीक है, न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड हो गए इन बीच में से पतला होता जा रहा है ना. I told you it is not having a particular shape. ये बीच में से constrict होता जा रहा है तो साइटोपेथाइल है. Elongated. ठीक है. After that, जब इनके दोनों के बीच में न्यूक्लियस चला गया, then the division of न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड हो गया. फिर ये भी डिवाइड नेचुरली, फिर यहाँ से ये भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा क्योंकि नेक्स्ट हमारा क्या है, आफ्टर द डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड. ठीक है. तो ये 2 here बेटे, these are called daughter. Is this clear? Firstly, nucleus elongate. ठीक है. Division of nucleus, that is called karyokinesis. After the division of nucleus, then the cytoplasm will divide and 2 daughter cells are formed. It's not particular. As the previous class, the one of the 2 student asked it, why daughter, why not son? It's not like that, the daughter or the son. The name is given daughter cells. Daughter cells. Offspring you can say. ठीक है बच्चे. But it doesn't mean हम asexual reproduction कर रहे हैं. In asexual reproduction, no sexes are differentiated. When the no sexes are differentiated, the term we are using the daughter cells. आप बना लो. ये देखो ना, ये बीच में डिवाइड हो गया. कंस्ट्रिक्शन थी, now they are separating. Now the division of cytoplasm takes place. Then the cytoplasm takes place, so division जो है constriction, that is prominent and divided into the 2 daughter cells. Firstly karyokinesis and then cytokinesis. Is this word clear bete? Binary fusion is clear. Very simple method है. If any doubt you can ask. Amoeba is not having any particular shape. ठीक है. First nucleus elongates, constriction arises in between, then division of nucleus takes place, and after the division of the nucleus, cytoplasm divide, and this is called cytokinesis. Okay? We are just saying the daughter cell. Otherwise, no sexes are there because we are talking about the asexual reproduction. The name is given. Okay? So don't get confused about these words. Constriction. Is it clear, बच्चे? May I erase this one? Diagram wait कर लेती हूँ. Do it. I'm just erasing this thing. Now the second method, as we had discussed, that is the budding. The budding, the word itself tells. What does it mean? Bud develop, है ना? The word budding means the bud develop, है ना? Write down. हरिया बच्चे. Okay. Please, Hardik, no. It takes place in case of the hydra. In hydra. हो गया आपका एक नोट. May I erase this one? Now write down. May I erase the diagram? Yes. Budding that takes place in case of the hydra. Small outgrowth. Outgrowth मतलब साइड पे. Small outgrowth. ठीक है. छोटी सी outgrowth हो जाएगी called bud. Small outgrowth called bud. ठीक है. Is formed. Bud is formed on the body of the parent organism. Bud is formed on the, ठीक है, body of the parent organism of the parent organism, ठीक है, which grows in size and which grows in size and get detached. जब ये ग्रो कर जाएगी, अपनी प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हो गई, then it detached from the parent organism and develop into the new organism. From the parent organism and develops into या grows into a new organism. Is this clear, Mate? Okay. ओके, डायग्राम कर ले इसका ना. अब हाइड्रा में आई एम मेकिंग लाइक दिस, but naturally we are discussing that one. Look here, in case of the body, these are having the tentacles. We are not going to discuss about all this. I'm just making randomly. You can make. It's not like this. These are the tentacles are present. Up. This is the parent organism. Not visible. May I make it out? Okay. No talking. All of you had written? Yeah. May I raise this one? Yeah. I'm making the diagram over here. So look, if you will talk. Now is it visible? Visible? Now you have to make the tentacles. ठीक है जी? This is parent organism, right? Parent hydra. Then after that, what we had discussed, small outgrowth called bud. Small. Small outgrowth. Small outgrowth means a little bit like outgrowth start. That is called bud. Like it. Okay, बच्चे, ठीक है? Now, when it gets a favorable condition, the bud starts to grow. ठीक है? Bud growth करनी शुरू कर देगा. ठीक है जी? Okay, bud grow हो गया. Now the bud grows, ठीक है? When the bud grows and develops, then it detached from the parent organism. ये वहां से क्या हो जाएगा? Separate, detached, separate. ठीक है? And here. Then the new organism will grow. Firstly, parent, then bud, small outgrowth occurs. Okay, that is called bud. In under favorable condition, budding जो है, bud जो है, it grows and develop. When it grows and develop, then it detached. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, इसके बाद detached, अलग हो गया from the parent organism, and then it develops into a. अब आप कैसे देखिए, वापस आए. ठीक है, this is the case in case of the hydra. Is this clear बताए? But this is but. You can write its but. But grows and develop, and then it detaches from the parent, and it starts to develop again, and again the same process will happen. Detached लिखा है. Okay. Any doubt?